Okay, I have a 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser. Does not need any special introduction. Everybody knows how bulletproof this vehicle is. So beautiful design, really nice. I love it. Color, everything. It's in great condition, despite the fact that it has 3,000 miles. But today what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna change the front end here to make it look like the circular headlights, kind of retro from that particular series, which I'm always very fond of, the 60 series, the one kind of boxy looking with the circular headlights and the grille. I've got all the parts here. This is the grille right here. It's beautiful. And these are the circular headlights that I'm going to install. In the interest of time to keep this video short, I'm not going to go every single bells and bell and whistle to show you how to remove, screw, unscrew, and all that stuff. I would assume this should be done by someone who doesn't need to be a certified mechanic, but someone who's comfortable to work around cars. Here is just basically with some basic wrenches and tools and all that stuff. I got this set that works just fine in this long heavy duty Phillips. I mean, even though you could use a regular one, I just like how long it is. But you could see I pretty much removed everything here. The old grill, the plastic grill, is gone. Most of it was just little screws. Here I removed couple bolts and little screw here and there. Again, not rocket science, straightforward. I'm just basically ready to pull everything out. Like I said, do it gently and carefully, that way you don't break some of the things. And then of course I have to disconnect the cable from the back. This video again is for those who are very comfortable working around cars. So yeah, I'll show you once I'm done here, but you get the idea, you get the point. Like these clips right here, the plugs, sockets, or whatever you call them right here. This one, high beam or low beam, and high beam. Basically there's a little clip in the back that you need to press down and pull out kind of firmly and gently. You get the idea. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to reveal the new look of the 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser. If you bear with me, here it is. Let's see. Check that out. All right. See it right here. It's got that retro look, circular headlights, new grille. Looks beautiful. Some information about where this custom grille and headlight housing came from. Of course, I ordered the headlights separately from Amazon. The grille there and the housings were designed by Land Cruiser Grills. Anyways, I'll put the description there for what I had to use here. I really like this look. I've always liked, you can never go wrong with any SUV that has circular headlights and kind of basic, straightforward, a bit boxy design. What I point out is that I should have taken a closer look here. Because of the electrical wiring system, now we moved from the original OEM, I should say, headlights. The hookup was slightly different, so there was some struggle there. I would say kind of on the major side, because if you don't have that special adapter, I don't know what the relay, whatever they call it, it's right here, actually, right there. Which basically hooks up to both the high beam and low beam separately because there are two separate wires. You're not gonna get both if you go with this new look right here, new old look I should say. So I struggled a little bit because I ordered one relay kit that didn't work. I ordered another one that didn't work. Luckily, after a long research and some struggle, I was able to find something that actually works just perfectly. Now both the high beam and the low beam just work as fine. Lights also work, high beam and low beam